Do you want to know how you can archive the previous chats on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can archive the previous chats on ChatGPT. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and then search for ChatGPT. Make sure that you are logged into your account and you have previously chatted with ChatGPT. Now you can see on the left hand side of your screen, these are your previous chat. Now to archive it, go ahead and select your chat which you want to select, and you can see the archive option over here. If you click on it and you can see this archive, click on archive and you can see that you can view archive chats in settings. You have just archived your previous chat. So all you need to do is select your chat and click on archive. This way, your previous chat will be archived. In order to view your archived file, go ahead and click on your profile, go to settings, and you can see archive chats. Go ahead and click manage and you can see these are your archived chats. If you click on it, it will lead you to a separate page and you can see this. And if you want to unarchive it, go ahead and click on unarchive and you can see that it will come back to this place. This was a video on how you can archive your previous chats on ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us all in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.